Hello and welcome to part 2 of the BICS Instant Peering tutorial. Instant Peering is one of the most sophisticated peering solutions available in the capacity market today, wholly developed by BICS. With this new peering tool, service providers can expand their network by using BICS' global network of physical and commercial peering agreements. In part 1, you will have seen how to easily integrate new points of presence and activate new traffic relationships with our new Instant Peering platform. This tutorial will demonstrate how you can use the platform to choose the best location to peer with a certain network. Connectivity providers will be familiar with the importance of delivering good quality of experience to enterprise customers. This, in turn, relies on the usual quality of service parameters: packet loss, delay, and jitter. The biggest cause of poor quality of service is delay or high latency. With Instant Peering, you can choose where to peer for the lowest latency at any given time using BICS' specially designed, simple-to-use platform. This is the graphical user interface you will see after signing into your account. For this example, we will use the account of Easy Networking Solutions. Here you will find a list of all available peers that are connected on the platform, listed by Internet Exchange Point. In this case, you can see the best place to peer with one-on-one internet is in Frankfurt. By hovering over the latency number here, a breakdown of the projected distances will be provided, from the customer to BICS, from the BICS point of presence to the Internet Exchange, and from the Internet Exchange to the peer. Totaling the numbers provides the latency value, 113 milliseconds, which can be used to make a confident decision on the best IXP to peer with one-on-one internet. If the customer knows the exact latency value from their point of presence to the BICS point of presence, this can also be added manually here. All values are otherwise calculated using the latest IP intelligence and geolocations. In this example, Easy Networking Solutions is based in Singapore. So if they are connected to the BICS point of presence in Singapore, this can be selected and the latency values will be updated accordingly. There is also the flexibility to compare results between points of presence to always ensure the best results possible. For providers that are extremely latency sensitive, it is possible to select all BICS points of presence for visibility of the lowest latencies. By activating this latency tick box, the tool will show low latency routes, if any, and you can contact BICS for a quote on this route. The Instant Peering platform is centralized and provides a single view of everything you need to manage your traffic and make informed decisions. Save time, optimize costs, and peer on major IXPs to expand your network and improve customer experience. Let BICS' full-service solution handle every aspect of the peering process for your business. Contact BICS today.